So basically, in order to replace the arms, I raise the chair all the way up, raise the arms all the way up so you're not bending over as far. Find the appropriate star bit for removing the screws, and then just come underneath, and I take all 4 screws off, slide the adjustment for the arms out, take the other 2 off, comes off like so. You have your brand new replacement. Just kind of
so you kind of just work it to make sure it lines up.
Make sure it lines up. Put your drilling forward. It may take a second for that screw to grab, but they will. Just apply a little bit of pressure.
So once you get the first one done, it becomes a little bit easier?
Correct. Very easy. I'm just basically taking 4 screws out and putting 4 screws back in.
Well, we are 1:40 in this, so this is going to be how to replace your arm cap in 2 minutes, I believe.
Quick and easy.
All right, thanks, Mike.
Thank you.